Hello guys, welcome back to another makeup tutorial of Jenny's. Today we are going to be doing this pink glitter cut crease with black eyeliner look, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this on this side. So I am going to be using the Morphe palette 3503, and we're going to be going in with this pink eyeshadow look and with the Morphe brush E62. We are going to start by patting the pink on our eyelid, like so. After that, I'm going to go in with this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill's JH30 brush, the pink, and I'm going to blend it out all the time. Go through all of our eyelid. After that, I'm going to be going in with the Q-tip and with cleansing water and clean the inner eye of my eyelid. After you clean up your eyelid, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Concealer in shade Fair Warm and my Jaclyn Hill brush JH43. A little brush like that and my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. We are going to be cleaning up our eyelid like so. After you clean your eyelid, we are gonna go with I'm gonna go in with this color of eyeshadow and pat it on my right here where we cut our cut crease, just to set it all over. I'll be going in with the Beauty Creations glitter and the glitter Stay Hard Candy Glue. I'm going to apply my glitter all over where I cut my crease right here. After applying our glue, we are going to go in with the fluffy brush and go ahead and pat our glitter in. Pat it all over in the front where you created that crease. Make sure you put glitter everywhere where you want glue wherever you want your glitter to stay, or else your glitter would not stay if you didn't apply glue. After we place our glitter, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. black eyeliner to create my eyeliner on this side. First, I start off by doing that line, and then from upwards, I go downward. It's okay if you get eyeliner on here, you're still going to clean it up. After you have your eyeliner done and everything, we're gonna go in with some falsies. I'm gonna put my eyelash duo glue on my eyelash. Like so. After that, we're gonna let it dry and get a little bit tacky and then apply it on our eyelash. After it gets tacky, we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Like so on top of our eyelash. Make sure it's all stuck like this. After that, we're going to go back in with the pink and apply it all over under our eyelid. Like so. After that, we're going to go in with our Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer all over our face. Like so. Next, I'm going to go with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 310 Sun Beige. After that, I'm going to go in with the Real Technique Beauty Blender and blend it all out together. Blend it all into my skin. Like so. After applying your foundation, I am gonna go in with my Airspun translucent powder and go ahead and set my whole face with it. Like so. After that, I'm gonna contour with my go-to palette, and this is the Morphe 8F palette that I'm going to contour with. Just like so, on both sides. After you contour your both sides, I'm gonna go in with this brightener and go ahead and go under where I contour. After that, I'm gonna go in with my brightener and go ahead and brighten right under where you contour. And just like so. And just like so. Make sure you get that sharp edge. Okay, then I'm a blush. Blush like this. Then also I'm gonna go ahead and put some highlight on. And then last, for my lips, I'm gonna be using this Urban Matte lipstick. And then last, after applying my lipstick, this was in shade 01 Urban Fox. And it looks like this. So this is the final look. So I did go ahead and top it off with a little bun on the back. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to go subscribe and turn on your bell notifications to not miss another videos of Jenny's. Thank you guys.